2025 Genesis GV80 priced in the middle of the luxury SUV coupe market. Copious standard kit makes parity with the least expensive competitors. Finally, anyone with an eye on the 2025 Genesis GV80 coupe knows how much to put away for purchase. There will be two trims offered for the racy kin of the standard GV80, distinguished by engine output and a slight amount of standard equipment. The GV80 Coupe 3.5 TAWD is powered by a twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 making 375 horsepower. The GV80 Coupe 3.5e supercharger AWD making 409 horsepower and 405 pound-feet of torque. MSRPs for the two after the $1,350 destination charge are: GV80 Coupe 3.5 TAWD $81,300, GV80 Coupe 3.5e supercharger AWD $87,100 for the e-supercharger trim. The extensive list of standard features on the entry trim is lengthened with the addition of carbon fiber trim. Alloy pedals, 22-inch alloy wheels instead of the lower trim's 20 inchers, and quad muffler tips. Both coupes can be painted in a bearing blue exterior color that won't be available on the regular GV80. Interior color combinations include ultramarine blue with orange stitch, smoky green over vanilla beige, obsidian black with gray stitch, and obsidian black over Sevilla red. The MSRPs make the coupe almost $6,000 more expensive than the entry-level square-body 2025 GV80. 3.5T Advanced. Looking around the segment, the entry-level Audi Q8 with 335 horsepower establishes the baseline in the luxury SUV coupe market, starting at $74,895. The upper end, of course. The 384 HP Porsche Cayenne Coupe starts at $91,795. In between, the GV80 Coupe costs about $4,500 more than the BMW X6 Drive 40i, about $9,500 less than the Mercedes-AMG GLE 53 Coupe. Start comparing like-for-like equipment, however, and the Genesis points its nose at the value end of the segment. The Audi Q8, a buyer would need move up to the $82,995 prestige trim to get features like Bang & Olufsen audio, heated and cooled front seats, and remote park assist when the entry GV80 Coupe comes with B&O audio, climate-friendly thrones, and its own remote park assist. On the BMW, attempting to match the GV80 Coupe's base spec will quickly surpass the $4,500 difference thanks to necessary options like the $3,600 executive package to get the head-up display, soft close doors, and premium audio, the $900 parking assistant professional, and $1,000 anthracite headliner. Genesis says the 2025 GV80 Coupe will begin arriving at dealers sometime this summer.